On this episode.
Oh yeah. I'm there.
Wait, you right?
Yeah,
Or is
it's me.
Giveaway alert! Watch this episode, follow us on Instagram and tag your friends to stand a chance to win a Lumos Oro and Rise stand worth $453.
Hi, Crazy Nice Homes. Welcome.
Hi, I'm Zanshen.
Hi, I'm Deborah, and this is our 4-room resale flat at Tampines.
It's about 970 square feet. We wanted something that is a bit more chill, somewhere like more like a combination of a few different themes. But at the same time, we want to preserve some of the themes that our previous owner kept behind as well. It's more interesting in nature.
So I think when you're buying a resale house, when you enter the house and you are looking as to whether you should purchase a house, I think it's good to enter thinking about how much of the house you want to keep. We could work along these things and keep whatever we wanted, so as to kind of reduce our costs and to also like reduce waste.
But at the same time, I think what we did was that we incorporated more vibrant colours in the house, and also we added a few more carpentries to, I guess, change the mood of the house a bit more. We realized that the wall was actually very plain, so we wanted to fill it up with some either some painting or like a drawing or whatsoever.
How I got to know about Kim from RKY Creates is through my sister. Kim was really creative to get as little paint as possible, mixing them to create the colours that we want.
She's also very meticulous, so when the different edges, the different colours, when it's not very practical to use certain colours, then she would suggest to use alternative colours.
So I think one example that we kept would be the dining area, like right above that you can see that there are these like wood panels that are actually boat wood. So what we learned from our ID is like the boat wood is like a very good material. Yeah, and it's like durable and it lasts really long. Then we actually had this same wood panels along the aisle that kind of enclose the store and the toilet. So we thought like, we could reuse the wood and put it in the living area, just paint it white, so as to, get the benefits of both, like to preserve the wood that was of good material, and to also get like a feature wall which we don't have to redo.
So in the living room, we actually don't have a TV, and we chose a projector instead. So the reason why we wanted to choose a projector is also because it's more portable. Also because we don't want to have too many wires hanging around, and I think we prefer it to be a bit more clean and tidy. In the end, we decided to go with Lumos projector because it's affordable, and we read a lot of good reviews on Lumos, so the short throw and how it can actually be used even in daylight. It's actually pretty good. So we just have to draw down the blinds, and it can screen pretty well on our wall already.
So one other unexpected cost that we encountered was that we kept the kitchen vinyl and in fact all the room vinyls. However, we changed the living room vinyl to a tile, and because the tile is much higher in nature, so naturally there would be a height difference of about 1 inch. Yeah, so at that whole process, at the end of like tiling, then we realized, oh no, there's a 1 inch gap, and we were wondering if we could live with that. Yeah, so that would be a good thing to consider, if you are actually changing just one part of your house to like a tile versus a vinyl. Yeah. My favorite part of the house would be the dining area. So I think it's where we gather with most of our friends and family. So I enjoy to cook and he enjoys to wash up. So we actually have quite a bit of time here.
I think one of my favorite places is also the living room, where we usually screen movies, shows, or some videos on the wall. I think it's great because it's quite versatile. Or sometimes we have friends to come over to play board games, and we just chill around there. Yeah, so it's a place where great bond and conversations happen.
Alright, so we hope that you have enjoyed our sharing and that you found it useful.
So please click like and subscribe to Crazy Nice Homes.
And click on the notification bell for the latest episodes. Bye!